Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Next Gen. If you're just starting with Excel, one of the most common questions is, how do I count data properly? Like, how many employees entered sales numbers? How many names are filled? How many values are missing? Or how many employees belong to a specific city? Don't worry, in today's video, we're going to learn 5 powerful count functions in Excel in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you'll be able to analyze any dataset like a pro. Let's assume we have an employee dataset with column A, serial number, column B, employee names, column C, city, column D, January sales, column E, February sales. Now let's solve real-world tasks step by step. Task 1, count function. Question: how many employees have entered numeric sales data in January? And formula equals count D3 D14. The count function only counts cells that contain numbers. So here, it will count only numeric sales values in January. It will ignore blank cells. Task 2, COUNTA function. Question: how many employees have their names filled? Ignore blanks. Formula: COUNTA B3 B14. The COUNTA function counts all non-empty cells. So it will count names, check, text, numbers, check, but it will ignore blank cells. Task 3, COUNTBLANK function. Question: how many employees have missing February sales data? Formula: COUNTBLANK E3 E14. The COUNTBLANK function counts only empty cells. So here, it will count how many employees didn't enter February sales. Use case: perfect for finding missing or incomplete. Task 4, COUNTIF function. Question: how many employees are from Mumbai city? Formula: equals COUNTIF C3 C14 Mumbai. The COUNTIF function counts cells based on one condition. Here, range, city column. Condition, Mumbai. So Excel will count all rows where city equals Mumbai. Use case: when you want to count based on one condition. Task 5, COUNTIFS function, multiple conditions. Question: how many employees from Mumbai have February sales greater than 90? Formula: COUNTIF C3 C14 Mumbai, E3 E14 90. The COUNTIFS function is used for multiple conditions. Here we have, city should be Mumbai, February sales should be greater than 90. Excel will count only those rows that satisfy both conditions. Use case: when you need to apply multiple filters at the same time. So, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your doubts, and subscribe to Excel Next Gen for more easy Excel tutorials. In the next video, we'll learn more advanced Excel formulas to boost your productivity. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with Excel.